What is up, music lovers? Severo here from Severo Music Studios, and I'm so excited. I just came back from doing a bit of shopping. As you can see here, some boxes. Why? Because there is a brand new keyboard in there. Yes, I already have a keyboard here. It's a Yamaha, but this Yamaha is quite old. Some of the keys are dead, but it's been ever so faithful. I mean, it still works fine. But I bought this, and this is not a Yamaha, it is a Medley. And I bought the Medley, not the Yamaha, because I can't afford a Yamaha. I can't afford it. I'm not going to get rid of the Yamaha, so don't think I'm going to be putting it on sale. I'm still going to be using it, but I'm going to be using them both. And I can't wait to set it up. Oh, finally, huh? You see that? Oh, awesome. So if only I was an actual piano player. So that was great. Let's see if we can compare it to Old Faithful here. Now the difference is I was not using a sustain pedal for the old Yamaha here, but I think it still sounds great. I just needed something a bit more updated and where actually all the keys work. That's also why I bought this keyboard, is because like this C sharp not working, and this key right here you can see is missing. It's like a missing tooth. So yeah, hopefully I'll be making a lot more music using this beautiful instrument, which I think is amazing, actually better than I expected. As always guys, please like, please share, continue to support.